I would like to share with you one of our interesting case which was managed successfully medical and neurosurgically. 37-year-old male patient admitted in our casualty with incisive wound in the right hand wrist region.
Was active bleeding from the right wrist incised wound. Bleeding was from cut ulnar artery. There were multiple flexor tendon partial cut. So patient was immediately taken for surgery. Ulnar artery was ligated and all flexor tendons were repaired.
When I attend the patient, I see that patient is drowsy, not responding well, and I examine patient and patient is not responding properly. So I found that it is neurosurgical deficit. So we immediately plan for MRI brain scan.
The scan showing right hemisphere ischemic stroke with MCA block but doesn't show any midline shift or massive edema. So we continue with the medical line of management. But after 24 hours, patient general condition become very poor. Patient no verbalizing, no eye opening, right pupil is dilated 4 mm, left pupil is 2 mm, blood pressure is not maintaining. So we put on the noradrenaline dopamine support and immediately intubate the patient and put on the ventilator support. We do urgent CT brain plane scan and scan showing the massive edema with midline shift causing the uncal herniation. So we take the patient urgently decompressive craniectomy surgery. After surgery, patient put on the ventilator support for 48 hours. But after 48 hours, patient is slowly responding well. We extubate the patient on the day of 5th, and after 7th and 8th day, patient is verbalizing and obey command is also.
એ ટાઈમે રાત્રે અરાઉન્ડ 12:30થી 1ની વચ્ચે વાગ્યા હતા ને એ ટાઈમે કોઈક રિસ્પોન્ડ બરાબર કરતું નહીં હતું, પણ ZDH એટલે કે ડૉક્ટર હાઉસ, ઝેનિથ ડૉક્ટર હાઉસમાં અમે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરી. ડૉક્ટરે ઇમિડિયેટલી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીને મારા ભાઈનો જીવ પણ બચાવ્યો અને આજે બેસતો પણ થઈ ગયો. આજે અમને અંદાજિત ઓપરેશનને 12 દિવસ જેવા થયા ને 12 દિવસમાં એ બેસતો પણ થઈ ગયો, બોલતો પણ થઈ ગયો. ઓલમોસ્ટ એની બોડી મૂવમેન્ટ પણ આવવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું. તો આઈ થેન્ક્સ ટુ ડૉક્ટર હિમાંશુ પટેલ એન્ડ ઓલ ZDH સ્ટાફ, ડૉક્ટર હાઉસ સ્ટાફનો હું ધન્યવાદ માનું છું.